Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're still there. I know it's been a while, but I have a guitar and it needs to be painted. Let's do this. Long story short, that's body of a BC Reach Warrior. Very cool looking guitar and belongs to a friend of mine. Very good friend of mine, a very artistic and very talented musician. And he wanted me to paint it. He said do something 80s. He doesn't want any artwork as such, graphics on it, but more of a pattern rather than the artwork itself. So I think I can do it. The guitar itself, it's prepped completely. It's primed, it's sanded down, and it's ready for action. I've got some really bright, funky, loud colors over here. I don't have a plan, but I do have an idea, and that usually works very well for me. With the recent trend of instant gratifications and attention span of about 20 seconds with all the shorts and the reels, well, I'm gonna skip to the good part. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, rock hard, drink beer, and I'll see you very soon.